Hey there, Laser Dave here from Trotec Laser, here to show you another fun and exciting laser hack. Have you ever had the need to create a quick and easy template on your laser system, but you didn't want to spend the time and effort to do so? Well, today I'm going to show you a quick, easy method by using just application or transfer tape to do so. Let's take a look.
To start, you want to measure the object that you're going to be making the template from. So in this case, I'm going to use a standard anodized aluminum business card shaped tag. I'm going to go ahead and measure both dimensions. Then I need to match that dimension in my design software. So in this case, I'm using CorelDRAW. And I'm going to take that dimension that I just measured and I'm going to place it in there. In this case, it's 3.5 inches wide by 2 inches tall, and then I'm going to select Enter. Now we need to duplicate this across the field. So I'm going to select this, I'm going to select Control plus D, and then while holding Shift, I'm going to now remove the graphic and then hit Control plus D again and again, and then that will move the graphic right across the field, keeping your orientation set. Now I'm going to go into my laser system and I'm going to place some application or transfer tape onto the field. This can also be done right onto the honeycomb or vector grid, or as well as any table that you have in your system. Once that is complete, I'm going to then select my graphic and then I'm going to send that file to the laser. Select the material that you're going to be cutting out. In this case, it's just simple paper. I have one preset here for paper tape, but the standard paper setting will work just as well. Print that file to Job Control, open up Job Control, and then the best method in this case is to place a marker onto the field, or then just drag it into the field and then place a marker so that you have orientation and a later date. Then go ahead and hit Start, and within seconds the laser will go ahead and cut the tape out. It'll give you a transfer tape template very quick and easy so that you can then place your tags into the open zone or location. Go ahead and fill the entire field up with the parts. Then go back to your design software and then bring in your file or design your graphic. In this case, I've already got it done. I'm going to snap my object to that field, then hit Control D while holding Shift. I'm going to then hit Control D again and again and again until I fill up that field. And then I'm going to go ahead and print that to Job Control as well using a new material, whatever that material is. In this case, it's anodized aluminum. Then I'm going to refocus and then go ahead and run that job. Positioning it using a marker within Job Control is the easiest method, and then focus onto the material and then run the new material in that field. This is a very easy and effective and very inexpensive method of creating a template that can be done quickly and effectively onto your field, giving you accurate positional results. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, Laser Dave signing off.